All right, it's time to show you how to buy BitShares using Bitcoin, which will be your first cryptocurrency trade. We showed you earlier how to open a BitShares account, which is at bitshares.org. You click on Online Exchange. If you need to refer to an earlier video or lesson to open an account, do that at this time. We are going to need to deposit our Bitcoin into our BitShares account, which is on this exchange. Your Bitcoin is in your Coinbase account, which we showed you in an earlier lesson. We'll head on over to Coinbase. Make sure that you're logged in. You'll start out at Dashboard. You're going to want to click on Accounts, and there you'll see your Bitcoin wallet. There is a link to send and there's a link to receive. We are going to send Bitcoin to the BitShares exchange. To do that, we want to deposit. So we'll click on deposit. We're going to come down here and make sure that we have clicked the right coin to deposit, which is Bitcoin, BTC. Deposit is clicked. And this is the address that you are going to want to send your Bitcoin from Coinbase to the DEX. So go ahead and copy this address. Head back to Coinbase. Click on Send. And make sure that wallet is selected here, not email address. And go ahead and copy the address on the DEX exchange you want to send your Bitcoin to. Now you want to enter the amount you want to send. In this case, we're going to send $100. It tells us what that is in Bitcoin, which is 0.0137. You have the option to put a note in here. We'll just put Crypto Learning Academy lesson. And I'm going to click Continue. You'll get a confirmation that your BTC was sent to this address, the total. You'll find your two-step verification as a text message on your phone that is connected to your Coinbase account. And then you'll go ahead and confirm. Your transaction is on the way. Now we'll head back over to BitShares and we can check out our account. All right, so now that we have purchased our Bitcoin and it has funded into our exchange account here on the DEX, we're going to go ahead and buy some BitShares. So the way that you're going to do that is you're going to click on Exchange, then you're going to click on Open BTC. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs here. Your second one over is Open BTC. We want to buy BitShares, which is BTS. So you're going to click on BitShares, BTS, and then we're going to come down here, scroll down, and you'll see deposit. We're going to buy BitShares, BTS. Right here, I'm going to come down and click on lowest ask. That autofills up here. And then I can put the quantity of BitShares that I want to buy in here. I'm going to buy 1,000 BitShares. There's the total that we're going to buy. Here is the fee. And we'll go ahead and click buy. It will make us log into our wallet account. It's going to ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm. And now we've placed an order and bought our first BitShares. Congratulations, you've done your first cryptocurrency trade.